Emerging Challenges and Newer Horizon in Modern Healthcare haiba thimda Taramari Suba Medical Society Conference Mesocon Houdokhre Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS ki Medical Society ne sinduna pangthokiba conference Houdokhre thoramaduda JNIMS ki Director Professor L Deven RIMS ki Medical Superintendent Professor N Sanjeev RIMS ki Dean Academics Professor Brojena Khoijam amade Manipur University ki Registrar Professor W Chan Babuna mathang sina Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor hoina saruk yakhe Ngasigi Tharomatu Kumari Lenana, RIMS Medical Society ke Chairman Professor Y Govindaras Nahai, RIMS Medical Society na chahi gi oina matam matam gi khwaidagi maruoiba medical challenges singda yumfam oiraga conference asi pangthokpane. Chahi asigi ngasi pangthokiba conference asi su ngasidagi chahi ahu mari gi asida oirakliba medical technology ki ahongba amadi yamna advance oiba makhal gi technology kaya medical gi lamda sizinnarakpa amadi hairiba technology sing asi Manipurda fangdaba sigi matangda maruoina pangthokpane. Khulai matik chana laitaba Manipur gumba state amada advance oiraba techniques sing asi kamdauna chathaba yagani haibado conference asida khanagane. Masina RIMS khakta natana Manipur gi medical gi lamda achauba kanaba mapiragani haina makna makhata ke.
Every year, mamang chahi khudingi for the last 15 years say matam duga chana ba every year dugi event ka chana ba akoigi relevant hoba health aspecting do hadi matam dugi se covid ki matam na covid ki handakina very unfortunate 2023 da ma tawre akoigi law and order situation ga mari lena na now this time even then akoy nasung khanbada this will go on for a long time yang koy netchat kan aduna adu issue but recently in the last few years this is the koigi there is a very advancement in advanced oirakpa akoy artificial intelligence the robotics the nanotechnology kalikram yam se am fast forward oirakpa masi se akoigi doctor akoy sida su akoy even infrastructure kalikra laitraga su akoy update tawdabe adaba knowledge se aduna akhoi masigi conference handakista masida theme mojeraga akhoi na masigi conference tawjabani